is a small but beautiful place, just like Suro Creek, known for abundant clean water from the mountains today. But in the past, people there had very difficult times in securing water. So they know how important water is, and thus wanted to share their experience with the people who have similar problems in the world and help them. Actually, they held a charity marathon contest to get money out of the people in Ono City and surrounding areas in Japan.
Durante ami lahetan bene, ami araska, ami kamba susur, ami Kristi Tuhan, ami kurube tomota. Inhira mola kami pila husi mota thomai uma dalam rumah jam 8-9 insana. Orangnya am sinti ami kontenti thamba bebesi kona ami ni wan mas haris mo satu bais kalau mas nya haris dia fase 5 atau han mas fase 5.
Ba facilidade dan bem orasnya daun tamai fase inauguração dari syukur ini kontenti tertebes. Tambah tia tinam barak kesira frente tertebes situação ida bemos. Nebe ohin loron na puyo San Jose Ono City ba UNICEF Timor Leste no implementador Hussein Zohim. Ami kumulona lia nain umalisan tunulu resina ne suku surrek mai haltur kultura. O objetivo ne para bele garante ba tempo naruknya.
Os de apoio Hussein UNICEF ou Hussein Ono City comunidade Ono City Japão, mai implementação Hussein Him. Comunidade sinto contente, também sira retanona sistema bem mostra bem capaz e sira mos agora Maurícia saúde dia, ambiente mos capaz e sira hututu e ona sintina nebe dia permanente, sira la sua per arbiru.
Bem foi tama mais na minha comunidade sira sinto contente teve. Liu fer katua sira hamna satu bulak, tambah saída tambah anse milagre de repente to mais sira nia surin.
Along with the distribution points, UNICEF and partners have developed storage tanks at health facilities and schools to ensure they have adequate and sustained access to water. This is very important in schools, clearly for maintaining hygiene, and we really hope that this will improve nutrition as well. At the health center, it's absolutely critical that along with staff and supplies, they have access to water. This really improves the quality of services. And we know that this is going to be sustained, and we hope that those who are working in those facilities really take good care and put those to the best use. Ono City, we've enjoyed working with you so much, and we, deep from our hearts, want to share our gratitude for your partnership and your support. We wish you could be here. We hope to see you again in Timor-Leste, and thank you very much for your support, not just to UNICEF, but your real commitment to improving lives in Timor-Leste.